Welcome back to my channel, Dizzlers. I hope you will enjoy today's video. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys. Hey guys, as you saw in the previous clip, that was me coming down the hill. I live on two hills, y'all. One, the vehicle takes me up one. I have to walk up and down the other, which you just saw. So now I'm at the base of that hill waiting on a vehicle. I just called a taxi to take me down, to take me to the bus stop where I can get a vehicle. I'm heading to physiotherapy, y'all. I don't know how much of that footage I will be able to get while I'm on my way to physiotherapy, because the taxi that is coming for me, he normally have loud music in his car, and I can't record well, you know, because of copyright reasons. When he drops me to the bus stop, I don't think I'll be able to record because I don't want them to steal my phone, which is very much likely. So I'm going to put my phone away. I don't know, I will have to take two buses to in order to get to physiotherapy. I don't know how much of that I will be able to record because of copyright reasons. They might have music in their in the buses also. But when I get off the last bus, I will record my journey to physiotherapy, because I will have to walk a little distance to get to the gym for them to torture me. I call it torture, they call it help, but anyways, every 6 to 8 weeks they change my therapists. They change them and they go somewhere else, and I get another therapist, which I don't mind. But yeah, you'll see my journey there, and who knows, I don't know what else the day has in store, but I'm taking you guys along with me. So see you in the next clip. I am late. I'm at the gate and I am late and I am tired, guys. I just had to run down a bus. Well, I didn't have to run it down, but I thought I had to, because I thought it was leaving. I'll give you that story when I'm at church. But now I'm walking down. I'm walking down, and I'm about to show you and I'm late, so let's go. Leaving. Guys, there it is, the physiotherapy department at the end of the corridor. It's also known as my hell, because they're torturing me there, and I'm tired, but I'm going. So let's finish it. almost there. So guys, I'm at therapy now. It's very windy, but I'm hot and I'm tired. I'm so tired and I am in pain. I don't know, can you see the pool behind me? There it is. That's the pool I go to every other week, y'all. But because I'm in pain, he's asking that I take my medication before I start the session, because I'm about to go through a lot of pain, so yes, might as well I take my meds to control the pain that I'm about to go in. Here they are. I guess I took my name off it. These are baclofen. They are muscle relaxers, so they relax my muscles. They also help with the pain. I'm not going to take the painkillers, so these will help. So I'm about to take them before I begin. I'm just going to take one because it's very strong. Very strong. So I'm going to take it before I start my session. I don't know what he has planned for me today, but I'm praying to God that I don't cry. That's so much, so painful it can get.
You took your medication, bro? Oh.
It's down and it's in my system. Taking my shoes off. Don't mind how my shoes, I actually walk and kick the ground, so if the ground is dusty, then my shoes will become dusty. Waist off, see?
Okay.
I have to get my shorts on.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Have you taken medication before you come to class, yeah? Alright?
Remember when I said I don't like taking it?
I know you don't, right? But it is a one time for the week. You're going to say you're going to take it before you come here, so you can do the that after.
What? I'm going to do them nonetheless, right? I'm going to do them nonetheless.
Yes. But preferably without pain.
But I'm always in pain when you're my therapist.
When alright.
So right now I'm doing cycling. My first exercise is cycling. To cycle. Let me show y'all. First exercise today, y'all. Cycling. Now, you guys saw all the walking I did. I walked down the hill. Well, you didn't see, but I walked from the taxi across the roads, went to the bus stop, and I was sitting there waiting on bus for more than half an hour. Then from one bus I went downtown, got some stuff, and then I ran down a bus. I mean, it wasn't moving, but I thought it was leaving, so I was running to catch the bus. And then someone behind me, I didn't even see when I passed him, he stopped me. I heard his voice. He frightened me. When I look, it was a driver for the bus, which is my friend, and I thought the bus was leaving, but there was no driver in the bus because it was outside. So all that running was done for no reason. And then I came off that bus, and then you guys saw the walk that I had to do to get to the gym or the physiotherapy department. And now I'm cycling, guys. I'm cycling, and this will last for 15 minutes. Oh, I am already tired and I have to do this for 15 minutes. I'm not complaining, but now you guys see that physiotherapy is never an easy thing for anyone to do because it is painful, and if you have to travel like me to get here, it's even worse. No, this is not painful because this is just to help me with my endurance. That's all it's doing, helping me with endurance. It's not, I'm not feeling any pain doing the cycling or anything. I might get tired because my feet has been active all morning and now I have to do this. But I have to do what I have to do, right? Go. We're going. Where we're going? Going on a trip, favorite rocket trip, zooming through the sky. Better answer. Hi, Miss. I'm good. So we're cycling. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. It's little Einstein. So y'all look, in 12 minutes, almost 13 minutes, I did 520 cycles, and I'm going up to 15 minutes. Did 634 cycles in 15 minutes, and I am in pain. Well, I'm 634 cycles in 15 minutes, and I'm about to move to my next exercise. He just that ball out, so I don't know what I'm going to do to that ball. So on the top of a high big ball, and my head is on bed, and I'm supposed to lift my waist and buttocks off the bed, and I'm supposed to hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, then back down, then continue that for, I think we said 2 sets of 10, which is 20. 1, 2, 3. And I'm feeling pain in this area. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm feeling pain here. Tightness here. This is working on my abs. Which are 1, 2, 3. See you in the next. Oh, I didn't explain what this exercise is. I believe this exercise is called bridging or bridge. Something to do with a bridge. I don't know exactly what. And it is supposed to help with my muscles behind here, my lower back muscles or my waist muscles, because I've been feeling pain a lot there recently because of my posture walking. I bend my back a little because I have to hold on the cane and all that, so my back muscles are not as they should be. So this exercise is to strengthen my back muscle, I'm assuming. So yeah, now I'm supposed to push in the ball 3 sets of 10. So 1, you. This is hurting because a few years ago I shifted this kneecap and now I have tendonitis within that knee, so putting force on the ball, pushing down into the ball causes a lot of pain. It's causing a lot of pain in this kneecap. It hurts a lot. Well, this one can do it, but I have to do what I have to do. So 1, 2. My next exercise is going to be walking up and down a flight of stairs. No, I don't like that. Yes, I live on a hill or 2 hills, and yes, I should be used to walking, but flight of stairs, knowing him, I might have to walk up and down that flight of stairs for 60 times. So let's go. So I couldn't vlog going up and down the stairs because I would need my hands to hold on to the railing and to make sure I don't fall. I did 5 sets, like up and down is 1, so I did 5. Going up and down the stairs, I couldn't vlog that. I'm in pain now because of that, and I am drowsy because of the pill. This is the end of my session for today. So if I don't get to close off this vlog, or if I don't add something else to this vlog, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you have not done so, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to tell a friend about ShanDizzle's life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.